What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And welcome back to the Nike factory store. And as you can see, really good weather today. Starting off with the Jordan 6 Toddler. This one is really cute, $44.99. Oh, I really like this one, and hoping I could have some pair of this one on my own, on my size 10.5, but this one is a Toddler and I really like the color. It is really retro 6 colorway, black, red, so can't go wrong on this one. But this one is really good for gift giving for your toddler. What do you think? And another good one, Jordan 4 FIBA. Well, this one, I got this one for myself for $44.99 also. Okay, moving on with the stuff of some returns on this Nike factory store, and we found this Jordan 3 Chicago. As you can see right there, it was the Chicago. This one is a playoff or something, if I'm not mistaken. And also this Jordan 7 retro, also with some kind of featherish-ish thing with some kind of mint colorway. The color not bad because of the color mint, which with a little bit accent of pink-ish, a neutral, a little bit color of that, but they didn't like it probably, so that's why they returned it. And I didn't check on the resale. I just assumed it's not gonna be a really good ones. And moving on with more returns, we got the Jordan 3 Animal Pack Part 2. So this one, premium leather with some kind of more animal accent. Not bad also, but the price is still in retail. And also they have the pack 1, which is the Jordan 3 Animal Pack Part 1. So this one more featherish thing, unlike the other one is more some kind of leather. Okay, let's go take a look around and hopefully we could find something more. This one is really very cheap, $34.97 with additional 30%. I like this Nike because of the color. It's not bad though, $34.97. It's not just premium leather though. Okay, so running shoes, Air Zoom Pegasus 35. Not bad for the price, $59.97 with additional 30%. Well, I might consider this one because it's really nice running shoes. Moving on with the Air Max 98 with a price point of $99.97 with the additional 30% off. Really not bad for the color with the blue, yellow, and the price is not bad also, considering it is really good shoes. What do you think? Well, how about Air Max 2? Simple, white, black, and yellow, and price not bad also for $59.97 with additional 30%. I might consider this for the collection because I don't have Air Max 2 yet, but I'll pass for now. Okay, wow, Nike Joyride $69.97 with additional 30%. They have a bunch of this, and this one don't have the 30% though, but this one don't have also. So this one is not bad. The color, $59.99, different prices. So hash wall or clearance wall. Look at this Air Max, more gold accent. And how about this Air Max Plus with some kind of pinkish accent? $89.97 with the additional 30%. Not bad though. How about Air Max Plus colorway, different colorway, it's the blue thing, but a little bit high with the price of $99.97, even though you're having it for 30%. It's kind of stiff, so pass on this one, not for now. How about the Air Max Essential? Not bad also, but still high price, pass. How about we go on Jordan Isles? Looking into this one, we got the Jordan Big Fund $69.97 with the additional 30%. Black and white and gold, not bad for the price. And then this Jordan, what do you think? And how about another Jordan React? This one comes with the mostly accent of red and a little bit of whitish going on. $59.97 with additional 30%. You can go around this one for personal pair. For basketball shoes, I would consider buying it for personal, but probably not for resale. Another Jordan React. This one is much more expensive with the $79.97 with additional 30%. Not bad also, but it's kind of a little bit ugly going on. So what do you think? Please leave a comment down below. How about Alpha Dunk? $79.97. More, another Alpha Dunk $79.97 with the 30%. It is really meant for basketball shoes though. How about this one? What is this ugly thing going on? $59.97. Ooh, no way. How about looking into Zoomfly 3? This one is not bad for the price. A really good running shoes, $59.97 with the additional 30% off. What do you think? I think I'm gonna get this one. $59.97. I'm gonna check on the comms on this one, but for personal pair, I like this one. The cushioning, the Zoomfly, 30% off, not bad. Okay, new markdown on the Nike Jordan DNA. Did this one a couple of days ago. Still expensive, but now they are at 14. What do you think? And this mesh thing, top tank with the Air Jordan 23. Okay, this one is what we picked up, so let's go pay for it. Okay, bag is secured. Let's go. Alright, here you go. That one we got from the Nike factory store. Not much, especially we can only buy 5 pair, and because that is the new rule. So this one is the Zoomfly 3, and the retail on this one is $160. The color of this one is the electric green black, and we bought it for $59.97 with the additional 30%. So at least came down to somewhere around 40 something, and check that out. A really nice, good looking running shoes, and comes with this vaporwave. Overall on this one, I bought this one because it is on summer day and people around like athletes are looking for a running shoes. So I went for it, and also pick up and also I didn't go through with some kind of picking some sizes, because all sizes are being sold really good. So based on the market value, checking out the eBay, so as you can see right there, Nike 82 4300. So sizes from 12 different sizes are selling over 109. Oh, by the way, so this one is $59.97 minus 30%, so 17 or 18, so it came down to $42, right? So let's say they are selling now for 109, and there's not much of reseller out there. 74 result, and sold one yesterday was 89 with shipping. Another one was sold 100 free shipping. This one sold for best offer 100, 109, 114. So the price is not bad, and it's also selling consistently most like every day. So that's why I went for it, and I'm thinking I'm selling also some more 109. Now if I wanted to sell it for 109, so that is $42, right? Okay, so based on my calculator, when I put in $42, or let's say put on 89, and the buyer pay for the shipping, that should be around $35 profit. So it's almost 80% return of investment for this one, especially summer just got in, and especially also with what's going on right now, not much of the athletes are in the gym or something, and also because of this what's pandemic going on, um, athletes and other people are trying to be fit so that they could fight back the virus that's going on. So good one. And if you are looking for want to sell it now, look for something that that they could use, especially that what's going on right now, they need to be fit. So profit on this one not bad, because 80% return of investment, and it is summer, so it will sell out that fast. Moving on with this one, and you already seen on the video that we have this Jordan 6 Retro TD, and it is really cute. You got size 8, size 6C, and pop that open. It is really cute. Boom. What do you think? Huh? Can you please leave a comment down below? So, okay, this one, I didn't look that I didn't look the market value, but on the outlet, but I really like the color, and especially it's a Jordan 6. And also I've been eyeing some of the toddlers, grade school kids shoes, so trying to learn more about those, and to my surprise it was really doing well. So here you go on StockX. Last sale for it is 99, and as you can see on the video, it was 44, so almost 50%. And look at the graph, and some of the sizes right there are being selling really well. 99, 72, 69. It depends on the sizes. So let's check out sales. So size 4 sale 99. Different sizes are really selling very well. It depends, like this 8C, because I also have the 8C. Someone sold it for a 55. That is for a loss, and I would say I'm not gonna go with selling this one for less than $80. I would rather go for at least 90 and above. Check out are the asking price. Some asking prices for 70, 72, 79, 80, 90. So what I have in here is the size 8 and the size 6C. So someone selling for size 6C is selling for 86. Someone selling for the 8C is 72. So at least there's not a lot of reseller on the 8C of $72, 6C 86. So I would say I'll be waiting out, because of the sizes, not much of a reseller on all size of 8, 6, 8 and 6. So I believe I'm gonna at least making my money, doubling my money on this one. It is really cute. What do you think on this one? Okay, so based on the market value and what's going on right now, I would say at least almost doubling my money. This one's 80%, this one at least somewhere at least also 80 to 90%. Okay, what do you think on this pickup on the Nike factory? I hope you learned something new and hope you liked the video. Please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear that. And that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye. Away. Going back to the giveaway. So this is the raffle for the giveaway of the Lebron, and our winner is Kicks for Dag Sneakers CA. Good comment. What do you think on this one? So let's check out if the winner follow me in Instagram. As part of the rules of this giveaway is to comment on the YouTube, follow me in Instagram, and tag someone, anyone. Okay, so I don't see it right there. Let's type in the name, Kicks for, but hey, okay, no user found for this Kicks for Dags. Sorry, no winner for today. Better luck next time on the next video. Bye.